Hello guys. So if you're looking to borrow money from Cash App, so in that case you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock that. Now, firstly what you have to do is simply click on the balance icon at the bottom left corner. So click on that. Then just simply scroll down and over there you will find the option called borrow. Now first of all, only very limited people have the access to borrow and the only people who have the access is from US. So if you're someone from outside US, you might not have the access because not everyone in US even have the access. So in order for you to actually get the access, what you have to do is just you have to follow three simple steps. So the steps are: get a cash card, deposit enough money, and maintain a positive balance in your Cash App application. So after you are doing these three, Cash App will figure out that are you eligible or not to actually use borrow or not. So if you're eligible, borrow will be unlocked on your particular Cash App application or your account. So after that is done, you will be able to borrow money from Cash App. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.